Hi, ladies. Is it too late to say Happy New Year? Well, Happy New Year, and I'm back with this. I had to start with something, and this felt like a really good place to start. But as you can see, your girl is back and rocking it and loving life. I'm just recovering from COVID, so I'm still kind of quarantined in the house and just trying to get my life back together. And I was trying to cheer myself up when CurlsCurls decided to, uplift my spirit with this lovely, lovely crystal wig. That's what they call her. Her name is Crystal. And as you can see, there's literally no lace, no glue. Like, can you say beginner friendly? And as you can see, it has combs, it has an elastic band, and it's amazing. So I was really trying to cheer myself up. I did my makeup and I'm like, okay, let's play with Crystal and see what we can do with her. So as you can see, my hair was looking a mess, and I'm like, let's see how quickly we can get Crystal on. So the texture is 3C 4A texture. When you kind of brush it, like, you can get it to look like 4C hair. So that to keep in mind. If you have 4C hair, you can definitely still blend it in with your hair. So as you can see, right now I'm putting in as a full wig, but you can wear it as a half wig. I think you can even do like a ponytail with it, but this is how Crystal looks like straight from the package. She clearly needs a little bit of work. So what I decided to do is to go in with, I think it's called Lotta Body. I went in with that mousse and I added some water to it, and I put it in my water bottle, and I decided to, spray Crystal and just see how that goes. And Crystal loved that. She loves water. I think, like, if you want to wear it in this kind of style, or at least at the beginning, just to relax the curls a little bit, I think adding a little bit of water and maybe a little bit of mousse would be great. As you can see, it worked wonders. And I actually have not worn bangs in a long time, and I totally forgot how that looks like, and this looked amazing. So, well, I think they look amazing, actually. Let me know what you think. How do you think my whole face looks with the bangs kind of thing? Do you like it? Oh, by the way, she's super affordable. Like, Crystal is like I think the beginning price is like $135, and this is actually in 16 inches, and the color is 1B, or like the natural color, and the wig cap is a medium size. So it's a medium size, and you can see I can wear it in my full head. It doesn't feel tight, doesn't feel like anything, but as you can see, loving Crystal. So if you want to wear it like a slightly fuller, like if you spray the water in it, let it dry a little bit, and then continue playing with it like this, as you can see, then she becomes more puffier and puffier. So if you even wanted to get more puffier than this right now, you can definitely do that. But I was like, I'm feeling this. I like this vibe. Tell me, which one do you like more? Do you like this one, or do you like how she looked like after I sprayed the water in it better? I don't know. When I watch the other one, I like it, but when I watch this one, I like it too. So I'm like, I can't decide. You let me know what you think. I'm going to leave all the details for Crystal in the description down below. And again, she is from CurlsCurls. So I wanted to wear it as a half wig and just see how that blends with my hair. Again, super beautiful. I'm just going to do 2 flat twists at the front, and my hair is super nicely moisturized. Like, I'm proud of myself. I feel like I've been super active. Even though I was down with COVID, I actually had a fever for like 2 days. And then after that, I started feeling a little bit better. I'm actually feeling a little bit weak still, but I'm doing stuff and I'm feeling beautiful, actually, to be honest. I even exercised, which is amazing, in the house, not outside. But yeah, I've been having fun, but I have COVID. I'm getting over it. And I am back on YouTube, so I'll probably be doing like 1 video a week just to begin the year, and then we'll see how I feel like going along, if I'm going to start doing 2 videos in the future. But for now, definitely be expecting 1 video a week from me. And I'm glad that I'm starting with Crystal from CurlsCurls. It's a perfect protective hairstyle, and girl, like, it literally takes like less than 3 minutes to put her on. As you can see here, after doing my flat twist, I'm just going to go and get Crystal and pop her back on my head again. And this time, like, I'm going to leave the flat twist at the back, and I'm just going to take a little bit of water and spray her, so because I want to spray the little bangs so that they can lay flat and so that they blend in with the back. But as you can see, can you tell it's not my hair? You cannot. She blends in so perfectly. She's so easy to put on, and honestly, an amazing protective hairstyle. So at this point, as you can see, I'm just trying to put the combs on, and then I'm just spraying the water. I just want the bangs to be laying flat. And as you can see, it's super easy to do. And you don't have to use the water if you don't want to. I just thought it would be better. You can play with the hair and make it poofier at the back if you want to do that instead. But I wanted the bangs to lay flat and then get it to dry a little bit and then play it and make it like poofier uniformly. I thought that would look cuter. So just to accessorize the hair at the front, actually, let me show you how it blends. See? Like, it looks blended. Like, it doesn't look like it's not my hair. And I didn't even do anything to it, which is amazing. So this wig is apparently like machine made. So I think they usually make the other wigs, they usually get them like hands on and everything. But this one is like machine made, which makes it cheaper, which I'm like, perfect. And as you can see, the curls literally go all the way from the roots all the way to the end. So it's beautiful. With the little accessories, as you can see, just to add a little bit of je ne sais quoi, and your girl is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also, all the details for the hair are going to be down below, and you can also get a $5 coupon also down below in the description. I'll see you ladies next week. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye, ladies.